Hello my dear students, this is the part 8 of chapter 13. More with multiplication and division. A tank is full of 300 liters of water. How much water will be filled in the 25 tanks? If 15 buckets can be filled with the one tank of water, how many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? What is given, students, over here? A tank is full of 300 liters of water. Okay, so this one is full of 300 liters. So suppose here this one is a tank and it is full of water. How many total liter? 300 liter. Clear, students? Now, how much water be filled in the 25 tanks? So here we can easily find out in a one tank. How many liter of water? 300 liters. And we have to find regarding the 25 tanks. Put the question mark. Okay. Cross multiplication. 300 multiplied by 25 divided by 1. So 25 3s are 75. Otherwise do the multiplication and 20 as it is. So total how many liter? So here we have to find the total. Wait, student. Yes. So here you have to find total how many liters? Here we have the 7,500 liters water in the 25 tanks. Understood, students? Total water in 25 tanks is 7,500 liters. Now what is given? 15 buckets can be filled with the one tank. This is the one tank, and if we will fill in the bucket, then it is possible for 15 buckets. We can fill the 15 buckets from the 300 liter of water. It means from the one tank. Okay. So we have to find out how many buckets we can fill with the water in 25 tanks. So here you can see. Okay. How many liters? How many buckets? One tank is equal to 15 buckets. We have to find regarding the 25 tank is equal to how many buckets? Clear? Cross multiplication. 25 multiplied by 15 divided by 1. So 25 multiplied by 15. You have to do the division. 25 multiplied by 15. 5 5s are 25, carrying 2. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. Here 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. Clear? You know the division now. So 375 buckets. We can fill 375 buckets from 25 tanks. Understood, students? So this way you have to write in your notebook. Now students, question number 2. There are 28 laddus in a 1 kg. How many laddus will be there in 12 kg? Very easy, just multiply with the 12. Okay. And if you are not identified, then our golden key method. 1 kg is equal to 28 laddus. We have to find regarding the inner 12 kg how many laddus. Put the question mark. Cross multiplication. 12 multiplied by 28 divided by 1. Okay. Whatever answer will come, students, you have to write over here. Okay. What will come? We will do 28 multiplied by 12. First start with the ones place. 2 8s are 16, carrying 1. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. For the tens place, first put 0. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. So 6, 8 and 5 13, carrying 1, 2 and 1 3. So how many laddus, students? 336 laddus in a 12 kg. Understood? Okay. See students, I am standing and writing, and this paper is also slant. I am not able to write properly, but you have to write properly in your notebook. Now student, another question. If 16 laddus can be packed in a one box, okay, we have to pack the box. So in a one box, how many laddu will come? 16. How many boxes are needed to pack all these laddu? So we know one box is equal to 16 laddus. 16 laddus is equal to one box. So we have how many? 336 laddus. So how many box? Question mark. Cross multiplication, 336 multiplied by 1 divided by 16. Okay. So 336 multiplied by 1 divided by 16. Whatever answer will come, students, you have to write over here. Now this division you have to try by yourself. Understood? Or I will do better. Let it be, I will do 336 divided by 16. Here 2 digits. So first observe 2 digits. 2 digits are greater than 16. Yes, so we have to take 2 digits only. Say the table of 16 till or less than 33. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. Yes, 2 from the 3 1, here 3 from the 3 0. Again carry down 16. 16 ones are 16. Very easy student. So how many total box? 21 boxes are required for 336 laddus. Understood students? So here we divide 336 laddus into part of 16. That's why we divided by 16. Clear? Please students, if your tables are poor and if you forgot it, then try to learn again. Please complete your table till 20. Okay? Now next one. Now you have to try by yourself students. There are 26 rooms in a school. How many total room? 26. Each room has a 4 plant. Okay, every room having the 4 plant. If each plant need the 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all the plants? So first you have to find total plants, how many. So here one room is equal to 4 plants. We have to find regarding the 26 rooms. 26 rooms is equal to how many plant? Cross multiplication. 26 multiplied by 4 divided by 1. So 26 4s are 6 4s are 24. Carrying 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 10. 104 plants. Okay. Now one plant need the 2 cups of water. Again you have to use this method. Okay. One plant is equal to how many water? 2 cups of water. We have to find regarding the 104 plants is equal to how many cups of water? Cross multiplication. 104 multiplied by 2 divided by 1. It means 4 2s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. 208 cups of water. Clear students? Same question students, if you can identify like this way. Okay, which one? See, if you are able to identify like this way, one room is equal to 4 plants. We have to find regarding the 26 room. So multiply with the 26. One plant need the 2 cups of water. So we have to find out this much plant needs how many cups of water. So multiply with the 2 cups of water. Okay. So 4 plants multiply by 26 rooms multiply by 2 cups of water. So directly you can do like this way. 4 2s are 8. 8 multiplied by 26. Whatever answer you will get, this is the our answer. This much cups of water we need. Okay, so it's depend on you students which method you want to do. Okay, thank you.